Good morning, students. Last time I introduced you matrices. We have discussed about the matrices, their order and their types, and when two matrices are equal. Today we will solve exercise based on matrices. First exercise based on matrices from NCERT book. So see, this is exercise 3.1, question number first. Question is, in the matrix A, this is the matrix given, what is the order of this matrix? How many elements are there? And what the entries A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. See, order of matrix is what? Number of row by number of column. So see, how many rows there? 1, 2, 3 rows. So its order is 3 by number of columns. See, how many columns there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the order of this matrix? Row by column. Number of row by number of column. 3 by 4. There are 3 rows and 4 columns. That's why its order is 3 by 4. Now, how many elements are there? We know that number of elements in any matrix is equal to number of row into number of column. Number of rows into number of column. How many rows there? 3. And how many columns there? 4. So 3 into 4, that is, there are total 12 elements. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in this third one, A13 is what? Which one? A21, which one? A33, A24 and A23. See, A13 means entry related to first row and third column. Entry, which entry? That is 1/3 entry or element. Okay, so first row, third column. This is your first row, this is your third column, so this one. So 19. A21, second row, first column. This is your second row, this is first row, that is second row, that is third row, that is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So second row, first column. This is second row, this is first column, so this one is A21, 35. A33, third row, third column, third row, third column, this one, -5. A24, second row, fourth column, second row, fourth column, this one, 12. A23 means 2/3 entry, second row and third column, second row, this is third column, this one, 5 by 2. Okay, so that is the solution of first question. Okay, now I am going to solve next question, question number 3rd. So everyone read question number 3rd of this exercise 3.1. Question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is, if a matrix has 18 elements, total number of elements in a matrix is 18. What are the possible order it can have? Possible order. Possible order. It can have. What if it has 5 elements? If number of elements is number of elements is 5, then what will be the possible order? Question is this. You can read the question again. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? And what if it has 5 elements? Okay, so Actually, there are two questions in this question. That if there are 18 elements, then what will be the possible order of that matrix? And if there are 5 elements, then what will be the possible order of that matrix? We know that number of elements is equal to what? Number of rows into number of columns. Okay? So, possible orders may be 1 by 18, because 1 into 18 is equal to 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 4 के टेबल में 18 नहीं आता, 5 के भी नहीं आता, 6 by 3, 7 में भी नहीं आएगा, 8 में भी नहीं आएगा, 9 by 2, after that 18 by 1. So possible order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 matrices which contains 18 elements, and their orders are 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2, 18 by 1. And if there are total 5 elements, then what will be the order? 1 by 5 and 5 by 1 only. So there are 2 matrices whose order are 1 by 5 and 5 by 1 have 5 elements. Okay, so that is question number 3rd. Now next question, question number 5. Read everyone. Question number 5. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given. First, Aij 1 by 2 mod minus 3i plus j. Okay, so we have to form a matrix of order 3 by 4. Clearly it will be what? There are 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows, A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Okay, so that is your matrix whose order is 3 by 4, and now we have to find out all these entries. Okay, so entries are defined here. See here, entries are defined. Aij is half mod minus 3i plus j. Okay, so A11 will be what? 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, that will be equal to, see, that is minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. It is mod, so it will be plus 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay, now A12 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So it will be minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Mod minus 1 is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. By this way we will find out each entry of this matrix, that is A13. A13 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3, that will be 0. A14, that is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus j is here 4. So that will be, you can see this is minus 3 plus 4, that is plus 1. Mod 1 is 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now A21 that is 1 by 2 mod minus 3. Now at the place of I is here 2 plus 1. So it will be, see, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. Mod minus 5 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now A22 that is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So see, this is minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4 divided by minus 4. Mod minus 4 is plus 4 by 2, that is 2. Now A23 that will be 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 3, that will be equal to minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3. Mod minus 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, now A24 that is 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 4, that will be equal to, see this is minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2, mod minus 2 is plus 2 by 2, that is 1. After that a 3 1, that is 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to, this is minus 9 plus 1 minus 8, mod minus 8 is plus 8, plus 8 divided by 2 4, a 3 2, that is 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 2, that is minus 9 plus 2 minus 7, mod minus 7 is plus 7 by 2, 7 by 2, a 3 3, that is 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 3, that is minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6, mod minus 6 is plus 6 by 2, that is 3, and a 3 4, that is 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 4, that is minus 9 plus 4, that is minus 5, mod minus 5 is 5 by 2. Okay, so all entries are here now. Now replace these entries by this one. What we have, see, our required matrix will be, see, a11, that is 1, a12 1 by 2, a13 0, a14 1 by 2, a21 5 by 2, a22 2, a23 3 by 2, a24 1, a31 4, a32 7 by 2, a33 that is 3, and a34 that is 5 by 4. That is your required matrix. Okay. Now next question, question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. See, what is the question number 7? Question number 7 is find the value of a, b, c and d from the given equation. That is, this is a minus b, 2a plus c. This is 2a minus b, that is 3c plus d. And this matrix is equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Okay. So, last time we had discussed this, that when two matrices are equal, when their corresponding entries are equal, means this a minus b will be equal to minus 1, a minus b will be equal to minus 1, this 2a plus c will be equal to 5, this 2a minus b will be equal to 0, and this 3c plus d equal to 13. Now solve these four equations and find out value of a, b, c and d. Suppose this is first, this is second, this is third, and this one is fourth. Clearly, by adding first, by subtracting first from third, first को third से आप subtract कर दो, then what we have 2a minus a, that is a, and minus b minus minus b, that is minus b plus b will be cancelled, that is equal to 0 minus minus 1, that is plus 1. So a is 1. Okay. Now put its value from in 1 from first. A is, you can see this is a is 1 minus b, that is minus 1. So from here b is equal to what? 2. B is 2. So b is find out here, a is find out here. Now a and b find out okay. Now put value of a in second. From second, put the value of a here. 2 into a is 1 plus c is equal to 5. Then from here c is equal to what? 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay. And put the value of c here. From fourth, what we have? Put the value of c. This is 3 into value of c is 3 plus d is equal to 13. See, this is 3 3s are 9. Transfer this 9 to right side. What we have? D is equal to 13 minus 9, that is 4. Okay, so A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. Okay, so that is the values of A, B, C and D. Now question number 9. Question number 9, read everyone. Question number 9. Question number 9. See what is the question. Which of the given values of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal? See here 3x plus 7 and this is 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x and another is 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. And question asks that what is the value of x and y for which these two matrices are equal. So let that is equal, they are equal. Then clearly 3x plus 7 must be equal to 0, 5 equal to y minus 2, y plus 1 equal to 8 and 2 minus 3x equal to 4. By using this we can find out the value of x and y if it is possible. Because there are 4 options are given, you can see. Option number A is x is minus 1 by 3, y is 7. Option number B is not possible. Option number C is y is 7, x is minus 2 by 3. And option number D is x is minus 1 by 3, y is minus 2 by 3. So first of all solve this first one, this is second and that is third and that is fourth. So first और fourth को solve करो, solving first and fourth. Solving first. What we have, x is equal to, you can see when we solve first, x is equal to, this is 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then clearly from here x is equal to minus 7 by 3. And solving fourth, what we have, see this is 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. Then from here clearly 2 minus 4 equal to 3x. Then from here x is equal to what? This is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so you can see in the same situation value of x is minus 7 by 3 and x is minus 2 by 3. So it is not possible. x की कोई एक ही वैल्यू ना होगी and here value of x becomes two values of x becomes here minus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. Clearly it is not possible. So question number 9, option number B is correct. Now question number 10. Read this question. Students, there are few questions which I have left of this exercise. So that is homework for you. Clearly listen. Again I am telling you that the questions which I left, that is homework for you. Solve that questions and if you have any problem in that questions, you have to ask through the group. Okay. So see question number 10. What is the question number 10? The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3. 3 by 3, order of the matrix, that is the order of matrix. So the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Option A is 27, option B is 18, option C is 81 and option D is 512. So question asked here that how many matrices of order 3 by 3 possible whose each entry is either 0 or 1. Sorry, whose each entry is 0 or 1. सारे भी 0 हो सकते हैं, 1 भी हो सकते हैं, 0 1 का मिक्सचर भी हो सकता है. ऐसे कितने मैट्रिक्स एग्जिस्ट करेंगे whose each entry is either 0 or 1. See, 3 by 3 ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स है, हाउ मेनी एंट्रीज आर देयर? टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, टोटल number of elements will be number of row into number of column. 3 into 3, that is 9. How many entries are there? 9. Okay, 3 by 3 का है. They are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is the matrix. Okay. अब इसमें ये जो एंट्रीज हैं दे आर 0 or 1. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल पॉसिबल एंट्री हियर? 0 or 1, 2 एंट्रीज, 2 एंट्रीज हियर, 2 हियर, 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. इसके पास भी 2. कितने ऑप्शंस है? सबके पास दो ऑप्शंस है. टोटल कितने? 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. इतने टोटल मैट्रिक्स बन सकते हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बन सकते हैं. ओके, आप समझ रहे हो? क्लास 11th में आपने पढ़ा होगा परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन, उसी का क्वेश्चन है. टोटल 9 एंट्रीज हैं. देयर आर टोटल 9 एलिमेंट्स एंड ईच एलिमेंट्स मे बी 0 or 1. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैट्रिसेस कितने हो सकते हैं? इसके लिए 2, इसके लिए 2, और सबको भरना है. तो सबके बीच में क्या आएगा? एंड. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल लागू होगा. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं. तो 2 into 2 into 2 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 9 टाइम्स. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 to the power 9. दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 to the power 9, and 2 to the power 9 I think that is 512. So option D is correct. Okay.